we have the new Inspire 2 case. This is by Drone World. It comes with this awesome SKB case here, which was actually made in America. Really great for travel, transport. I can bring it all around the country, all over the world with me. It's got a lot of compartments and a lot of space for putting all the gear. So we'll go through some of that right here. And here we are in Colorado. This is Boulder. We're kind of overlooking the city here. Pretty awesome view for a sunset shoot. And as you can see, everything's really nicely organized in there. They've got a lot of great compartments, and I'll just kind of walk you through some of them. We've got the 2 remote controllers right here. Each has its own compartment. There's also a follow focus right there. So that's where you can store the follow focus. You've got your case for the camera, and also underneath the case you'll see there's 3 lenses. That compartment holds 3 separate lenses that you can use for the kit, which is really useful if you ever have to swap out lenses on the job, or if you want to go from wide angle to a more zoom lens. You've also got plenty of spaces for your batteries. Of course, the Drone World charger here for any kind of USB device. Here's a front pouch where you keep the sunshades, various cables, anything else that you might want to store in there. You've got your propellers in the side pockets here. The nice thing about this case is there's all these little hidden compartments where there are things like these battery chargers. So if you look actually underneath the drone as well, there's another battery charger down there. They've done a really great job designing this case and the foam insert, and maximizing the amount of space that you have and the amount of devices and options that you can bring with you. Here are your 2 iPad slots right there. I've got my iPad mini in here. I've also got some lens filters, chargers, and underneath the charger is another compartment where I've got my Fat Shark goggles for some HD video FPV. So very spacious, lots of room, pretty cool kit here. Alright, so now let's take a look at the drone and get this in action. So what we're going to do is kind of fly it around here. Get some nice mountain views here while the sun is setting, and hopefully test out this new Inspire 2 with all these different lenses and options. And really exciting because this is an incredible drone by DJI. We're going to pull the drone out here and set that down. Grab the remote controller, grab the iPad. One other really nice feature about this particular case is that it has 2 extra compartments right here for batteries. And these are kind of your hot swap batteries. When you take the drone up and then you land it and you need to grab 2 really quick batteries, you can put these guys in the case. And then you can put your used ones in here and they'll kind of cool off. A lot of problems I've had in the past are when my batteries are really hot and I put them back in the foam and it just stays hot for a long time and they don't cool off. So when you put them in these hot swap little pockets right there, it's really great because they cool down pretty fast for you. Put the drone up here. Nice part about these propellers is that they go on super fast. You just click them and lock them in place like that. Yep, so super simple. Boom. All ready. And now we'll power on the drone and the remote.